Join me as I dive into the future of CGC Stock and try to predict what's next for this company. CGC Stock, or Canopy Growth Corporation, is a well-known player in the cannabis industry. As one of the largest and most recognizable cannabis companies globally, it's been making headlines for quite some time. With a strong presence in multiple countries, CGC has positioned itself for long-term success. But what's next for this stock? CGC Stock has faced significant challenges recently. Market volatility has been a major issue, with the stock experiencing substantial price swings. This volatility can be attributed to various factors, including changing regulatory environments and shifting investor sentiment. Additionally, the company has faced some internal struggles, including increased competition and pressure to maintain its market share. These internal struggles have led to concerns about CGC's financial performance. The company has reported some disappointing earnings, which have negatively impacted investor confidence. Furthermore, CGC has been investing heavily in expansion and acquisitions, which can be a double-edged sword. While these moves may drive long-term growth, they also introduce significant short-term risks. The cannabis industry as a whole has been going through a tough time, with many companies struggling to adapt to changing market conditions. CGC is no exception, and its stock price has suffered as a result. Despite these challenges, it's essential to consider the underlying factors driving CGC's performance. Industry trends play a significant role in shaping CGC's future. The cannabis industry is expected to continue growing, albeit at a slower pace than previously anticipated. As the market matures, companies like CGC will need to adapt and innovate to stay ahead of the competition. Financial performance will also be crucial, as investors closely monitor CGC's ability to generate profits and drive growth. Investor sentiment is another critical factor influencing CGC stock. Perception of the company's prospects can greatly impact its stock price. If investors believe CGC has a strong future, they're more likely to invest, driving up the stock price. Conversely, if they perceive significant challenges ahead, the stock price may suffer. So, what's the most critical insight regarding CGC's future? One key factor is the company's potential for growth in emerging markets. As more countries and states legalize cannabis, CGC's international presence could become a significant growth driver. Additionally, the company's focus on innovation and product development could help it stay ahead of competitors. Another crucial aspect is the upcoming catalysts that could impact CGC stock. Regulatory changes, earnings reports, and major announcements can all influence the stock price. Keeping an eye on these events can help investors make informed decisions about their CGC holdings. In summary, CGC stock's future outlook depends on various factors, including industry trends, financial performance, and investor sentiment. While challenges exist, there are also potential growth drivers and catalysts on the horizon. I'd love to hear your thoughts on CGC stock. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. If you're interested in more stock analysis, be sure to check out my other videos.